You see this one? What is this? كُلًّا بِسِيمَاهُمْ. This is the iqlaab rule because this was actually a tanween, and because it's followed by a ba, the tanween has changed into the meme. The noon sakin has changed into the meme, so it's represented here. كُلًّا بِسِيمَاهُمْ. You see that? كُلًّا بِسِيمَاهُمْ. Here you go on the ikhfa shafawi. Now this is the rule of the meme sakin followed by a ba. It's still hiding. It's hiding because it's still scared, and it's showing by nothing being on it. Is showing us why that's happening is because we have to kind of do the ikhfa, which means that you have to hold the meme for a little bit without entirely closing your lips. So it's جئتكم ببينة. Okay, you see that tanween, running tanween, it's because of this. It's blending in timir, and you see this one mir. Again, there's nothing on the nun sakin because there's the ra. There's the idgham rule here. Mirra, mirra, mirra. Okay, there's merging here happening here. Mirra. Okay, and this is a very good example of the izhar of the ikhfa shafawi, and not like where it is where you are doing the ikhfa shafawi and the meme where you're doing the izhar. Okay, this is ikhfa and this is izhar. How can you tell? Because see this one, وَإِذَا بَطَشْتُمْ بَطَشْتُمْ. See, there's nothing on the meme. There's nothing on the meme, so that's showing you that something's happening, which is because the ba is there. So you're going to do وَإِذَا بَطَشْتُمْ. You're going to hold it for a little bit, and you're going to hide it. بَطَشْتُمْ بَطَشْتُمْ. You see that? Tum. Why? Because a jim is coming after that. The only time when you see the meme like this is when it is followed by a ba, or when there is a meme coming after that. Okay, so that's the two times that it'll come without anything on it, showing you the reason. Okay, so that's just a wonderful way of remembering what to do. Here you see this one. This is min ba'di. You see this? This is from the Usmani Musaf, and here we have it from the Musaf from the subcontinent. There's a minute difference. This is the iqlaab rule, as you can see. Min ba'di. You see this? There's nothing on the noon, and it's represented by. You see that there's a meme on top. This is the nothing on the noon means that something's happening, and of course we are doing the ikhfa shafawi because an iqlaab changes over to an ikhfa shafawi, which is that you would use the meme to blend in with the ba. Min ba'di, and you're blending it in with the ghunna. Min ba'di. And here there's only one little difference. There's a sakin on top of the noon, and there's the same meme and the same this should have had a kasra under it. Min ba'di, and that's min ba'di. Okay, what's here? This is noon sakin again followed by ba, the changeover into the meme, and you see the way the hamza is written here, and وَأَنبَتْنَا وَأَنبَتْنَا, and here we have no hamza. As you can see, no hamza sitting on top of the alif. This is also a hamza, but it's not represented by that hamza on top. It's just known to the reciter that this is how he's going to read it. It's got the qata. وَأَنبَتْنَا. Okay, this is a noon sakin followed by the meme. You see that noon sakin represented by a sakin. There's no sakin here. Okay, otherwise that's the only difference. Next one, we have ayatin bayyinatin. Okay, this is the dagger alif. This is the same that you would have in the Arabic in the subcontinent mushaf. You see this? It's the Khadi Zabar as we call it, and it's the same. It's a pull, but here there's only that one. Here there are two. This is what's going to be read. Ayatin. بينات. So you see that the T, what happened here was there were two tanweens. It was the tanween, not the two tanween, it was the tanween, the kasra tanween. And what happened was, because the ba is following it, what they've done is they've taken one of the sticks, one of the kasra sticks, or the one that represented the noon sakin, which was hiding in it, which was part of the tanween, and stood it out as a meme. So this is ayatin bayyina, and the staggered kasra here is because of the waw that's coming next, which is the blend of the idgham. Tiwa, okay. And here you have the tin, and then the whole tin, like the entire tanween is shown here with the kasra tanween, and you have the meme here representing that there's an iqlaab happening, and of course this would be the ikhfa shafawi, ayatin bayyinatin. And if there was a waw here, the waw would be with a shadda on top, tiwa, okay. I should have shown that one too here, but anyway, here we have another example. Alimun bizzalimin. You see that alimun, this meme, because this should have been a little closer, because this dhamma is part of that tanween, which should have been over the meme, and this one of because the noon sakin was represented in the tanween, this is showing up now. They're representing that to show you that there's an iqlaab here, and then this will be read alimun bizzalimin. Here you have look at that, you don't have the sakin on the ya here, and yet you have the sakin on the ya here. This is the ya madda, alimun, and you see that they've given the tanween and they've given the meme to represent the iqlaab, the changeover, and then alimun bizzalimin, okay. And here we have the next one, يُؤَاخِذُكُم بِمَا. What's happening here? This is the ikhfa shafawi. This is not the iqlaab. This is the ikhfa shafawi. You see the way the hamza is sitting on top of that. This is because hamza is being used here, and the same would be in the other one as well. But يُؤَاخِذُكُم, the only thing is that we don't have the sakin here on the meme. It's the ikhfa shafawi is happening, and the fact that there's nothing on it shows that something's happening, which will cause you to do something. Kum bima, okay. And here there's the only difference between the one that you just saw and this one is that there's a sakin on this one and there's no sakin on this one, but the reading will be the same. يُؤَاخِذُكُم بِمَا, okay. And here we have بَعْضُهُم بِبَعْضٍ, okay. And here what's happening, there's again nothing on the meme showing you that something's happening. There's a memes hiding from the ba. بَعْضُهُم, okay. You're going to hold the gunna here, ikhfa shafawi happening here, and the only difference between this one and this one, slightly in the writing, you don't have the tail here, but otherwise as you can see it's the same, except there's a sakin here, but the reciter knows that he or she has to do the ikhfa shafawi, which is the hiding. At least this is what we should be doing. Alright, this is staggered here probably because the letter coming after it was something that required it either for an ikhfa or an idgham rule, and here it would always be the same, sitting one on top of the other. Alright, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.